March is a 5-Friday month, so you get even more great videos to welcome in the spring. We start off with a lovely chat between Valerie Nesbitt and expert quilter Claire Campion, where Claire shows us some of her beautifully quilted modern patchwork projects. And Claire is also part of our Makers Studio programme. Valerie is in the studio herself this month, explaining how to create this lovely, super simple quilt in which she has used Japanese-inspired fabric, and which is both jelly roll and layer cake friendly. Sue Thornborough brings us this amazing circular dahlia design, which does involve template cutting and is sewn on the machine in sections. Our crochet expert Jane Chire returns with her superb crocheted rectangular blanket, which she has based on the basic granny square. And Jenny Raymond is showing us how to make her remarkable bunny bags, which would make a brilliant Easter gift, and that's only just around the corner, believe it or not. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.